We gon' blind them today. Ooh, we gon' blind them today. We gon' blind them today. Oh my word. Hello beauties, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If it's your first time here, welcome. I am Shauna, but you can call me Shaunz, of course. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. I really appreciate it. Now, I'll be showing you some of my favorite highlighters, and this is going to be part 1 of 2, so make sure you stick around for part 2. Now, in this little case right here is where I have some of my favorite highlighters. Some of them are high-end as well as drugstore. So, of course, you will have affordable ones as well as ones that are a bit more on the pricey side. But you may know by now that I love to glow. I love to blind the haters, even though I don't know if I have haters, but who knows. And I like people to see me in the distance and just say, ooh, she's glowing for the gods. So what I'm going to do is jump right into the video, so I do hope you enjoy. Okay, so this is what the little case looks like. Can you see it? So in no particular order, I am just going to dig down into the box and take, okay, let's start off with Kiko. This one is from Kiko and it's called, actually it just has a number, it's number 233. And this can be used wet and dry. It's actually an eyeshadow, but I don't use it as an eyeshadow as much as I use it for a highlighter. And this is what it looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. And I've said this before, to me, it is like a dupe for the Fenty Trophy Wife, the highlighter from Fenty Beauty. I think it's a very nice dupe. So what I'm going to do is swatch it. It's a very pretty golden yellow shade, and I'm going to swatch it on my hand so you can see how it looks. Can you see that? I absolutely love using this as a highlighter. And I like to use it on my inner tear ducts as well as on my nose and my cupid's bow area, and it gives such a beautiful glow. And I think this is very suitable for deeper to dark skin tones. But if you're a lighter or medium skin tone, you can use this as an eyeshadow, but I love this as a highlighter, and this is from Kiko in the number 233. Okay, and another one is from Bourjois, and I haven't used this in ages, you guys, and this is what it looks like. It's very shimmery. It can double as an eyeshadow as well, and of course I'm going to swatch it for you. So basically that's what it looks like, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch it right here. Let me swatch it properly. So this is the one from Bourjois. And it's more subtle than this one from Kiko, but it gives a really nice subtle highlight. Another one I have here is also from Kiko, and trust me guys, Kiko is such a great drugstore brand. They have stepped their game up really big, and if you haven't tried them out, make sure you do, because they're affordable and they have really amazing products. Now this one is called Gold in Progress, and this is fall 20. This is what it looks like, and I absolutely love this one. It's so pigmented, you guys. That's a finger swatch, and then I'm going to swatch it for you right here. Gold in Progress, and this one is from Kiko. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it's I don't even know how to describe it, guys, but it's so pretty. I absolutely love it. So make sure that you check this one out if you're looking for an affordable highlighter as well. Another one I'm going to show you is from Sleek, and this is from their contour kit as well, but they have a contour as well as a highlighter, and this is from the medium kit. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch it for you. Let me take this off real quick. So this one is from Sleek. And Sleek again is another affordable, great drugstore brand. Okay. This one is a little bit more subtle. Let's swatch it. And I'd say this one is more geared towards medium to lighter skin tones. Can you see that? So this one is from Sleek and it's from their face contour kit and it's in the shade medium. I want to show you this one, and you guys see me use this all the time, and it's from GWA. They are a UK based brand. It means girls with attitude, and this is their Glow It kit. I have reviewed this before. Of course, I'm going to leave the link so you guys can check that out, but oh my goodness, this goes with me everywhere. I absolutely love it. It's so affordable, and you get 3 highlighters in the package. So you have this kind of deep gold, you've got the champagne one here, and this one is sort of a, I don't even, guys, I'm not very good at describing colors and shades, but this is what they look like. So you get 3 in the pack, and if I'm not mistaken, I think this was $11.99. I'm not quite sure. I'll check the price and put it somewhere on the screen for you. But this is so affordable, and the colors are absolutely amazing. It goes from, you know, deeper dark skin tones to lighter skin tones, because of course, if you're deeper, you can use these 2 shades right here. And if you're lighter, you can use this one right here. Now for this one, sorry, I don't want to blind you guys with the mirror. So for that one, I'm going to swatch it. I'm going to swatch all 3. So that's 1. This one, as I said, is for deeper skin tones. So that's 1. And this palette is more of a subtle glow. So if you don't want to blind anybody, then you can definitely try this one out. And then the last one here is more so for lighter skin tones. Oops, sorry guys, it's not the best swatch. But you get the idea. So these are the 3 shades in the Glow It kit. So as I said, these 2 here are more geared towards darker skin tones. And again, you can use these as eyeshadows, as well as, you know, to highlight your Cupid's bow area on top of your nose and your inner tear ducts. I mean, highlighters are very versatile, guys. So you cannot go wrong with highlighters. But this one is from GWA and it's their Glow It palette. Very affordable. Okay, so onto the high-end ones. We don't want to break the bank, but, you know, we got to splurge a little bit sometimes. Well, I like to treat myself sometimes. Anyways, we're going to start off with this one from the Balm, and it's called Mary Luminizer. I haven't used this in so long, and this is one of my, it's not my first one, it's my second high-end highlighter. Let me open it, and this is what it looks like. I've swatched it before in a video years ago, but I'm going to swatch it again for you guys. So this one is more towards medium to light skin tones, but I still use it. I use it as an eyeshadow, or I still use it as a highlighter. So let's swatch that for you. And this is from the Balm. Okay. So that's that one. Beautiful. I absolutely love this one. I don't know how come I haven't used it. The thing with me, guys, if I buy something new and I like it, I'm going to keep on using it. And I've been using the Jenny Jenkins almost all the time, and I can't seem to put it down. And I broke it, as I mentioned in one of my videos. I broke it, and I'm really sad because I'm going to have to find a way to fix it. Anyways, that is from the Balm, and it's the Mary Luminizer, and that's what it looks like. Okay, so moving on. So guys, this one is so old school. I've had this, I want to say about 6 years now, and I haven't used it because listen, it's squeaking, it's so old. But I've had this one. It's the Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick Compact, and as you can see here, it has all these different shades here, and I used to love using this. It's not as pigmented anymore. Let me just go ahead and swatch them for you. But this is one of the first highlighters I ever had, and I used to love it so much. But, you know, getting into makeup and trying different highlighters, I've forsaken it. But I'm just going to swatch them for you. It's also another subtle shimmer. So if you're not into blinding people, then this would be perfect for you. It's a bit more on the expensive side, but it's a very good highlighter. Look at that. Beautiful. Let me just swatch them real quick. I've had this for so long. And then this one here. I've run out of space. So this is from the Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick. Absolutely amazing. I'm surprised that they're still highly pigmented. I've had this for so long. Wow, I'm impressed. I'm gonna have to pull that out and dust it off. Well, look at that, guys. It's beautiful. It's very, I guess you can build it up as much as you want. But that's from the Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick. And I used to love using this one, as I mentioned. But they're absolutely beautiful. Okay, another one which was given to me by one of my beautiful best friends, Rika. She gave me this Bella Pierre highlighter. And it's a loose highlighter, which is a bit messy. I'm more of a pressed powder kind of person, but let me just tap my finger into that. It is the one of the most beautiful highlighters out there, and I don't see a lot of people using this actually. But this is from Bella Pierre, and let me just very nice. It's suitable for deeper to darker skin tones. Beautiful. And this one is called, hang on a second, this one is called Starshine, and it's a mineral bronzer from Bella Pierre. Beautiful. So if I want to have more of a subtle golden highlight, I usually go for shades like these. But if I want to have a lighter, you know, something lighter, I usually go for something like this. But if I want it to be a little bit darker, I go for these types of shades. Okay, what else do we have here? I am saving the best for last, and I'm sure you guys know what that is. But let's move on to this one from Makeup Forever, and it's a Pro Sculpting Duo. So you have a bronzer as well as a highlighter, and this one is more of a holographic shade. And I mostly use this as a highlighter, sorry, as an eyeshadow. But it is so pretty. Oh, look at that. So you have hints of pink, hints of champagne, hints of everything. Absolutely beautiful. I love this one. I don't know why I haven't used it in so long. But as you can see here, you have the bronzer, or the, what they call it, contour. Brain fart, and then you have the highlighter right there. But this is more on the expensive side. So it's from this one, and that's what it looks like. Beautiful. Now, you guys know which one I'm saving for last, right? Yes, you guessed it. Yes, bravo, you guessed it. This one, of course, is My Love. I love it so much. And I broke it, so therefore I cannot show you, but I have a review on it. You can check that out as well. I will leave it in the cards. But this is Black Up Cosmetics times Jenny Jenkins. I broke it. But I'm just going to open it. It has four different shadows in it. I promise you guys, I cannot open this. It's just going to make such a mess. But this one is from Jenny Jenkins, and I absolutely love it because it has 4 shades in it. And she has another palette that's let's try that again. Tongue twister. She has another one that's geared towards lighter skin tones, and this one is geared towards darker skin tones. And this is the palette 02, the light palette 02. And I really can't swatch it for you guys because it's a mess, but I will leave the card so you guys can check it out. But this one from Jenny Jenkins is my absolute favorite at the moment, and I'm really bummed that I broke it. But yeah, I'm gonna have to find a way to fix it. So guys, those are some of my favorite highlighters, and this is part 1 of 2, so make sure you stay tuned for part 2. And of course, I would like to hear from you. Let me know what your favorite highlighters are. Leave it in the comment section down below. Let's have a chat. And if you have not subscribed as yet, please go ahead and subscribe before you leave. Hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a makeup look, fashion lookbook, hauls, reviews, all that jazz. Make sure you subscribe again. As I said, thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and of course let us have a chat in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoy. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Strike a pose.